Transform your regular bike into an electric-assisted ride with this innovative electric bike conversion kit. Designed for simplicity and efficiency, this kit offers a quick, tool-free installation process that takes just 30 seconds. Using the included hex wrench, you can mount the device between the rear wheel and seat post without disassembling your bike or removing wheels, making it a hassle-free upgrade. Powered by a 200W motor and a rechargeable 12V 10AH battery, this booster provides a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour, 25 kilometers per hour, and a range of up to 31 miles 50 kilometers in half-boost mode. The actual range may vary depending on factors like terrain, load, and riding conditions. With a charging time of just 5 hours, you can quickly get back on the road or trail. The kit is highly versatile, compatible with most bikes featuring round seat posts size 525.4, 31.6 mm. It works seamlessly with both road and mountain bike tires, accommodating widths ranging from 1.5 to 2.15 inches for mountain bikes and models 25C divided by 28C divided by 35C divided by 38C for road bikes. Its lightweight design, weighing only 4.4 pounds, ensures portability and ease of use without adding bulk to your ride. Enhance your cycling experience with app wireless control via Bluetooth connectivity. The app allows you to monitor real-time data such as power levels, speed, and distance traveled. You can also switch between different booster modes to customize your ride based on your needs, whether you're commuting or exploring new terrains. With its sleek design, excellent compatibility, and efficient performance, this conversion kit is perfect for anyone looking to add pedal assistance to their bike. Enjoy faster speeds, extended range, and effortless rides while maintaining the flexibility of a traditional bicycle. Upgrade your ride today and experience the convenience of electric-assisted cycling.